At NIRA Dynamics, we are revolutionizing heavy commercial vehicle operations with our innovative connected solutions. Safety is our top priority. Our Road Surface Alerts (RSA) system keeps drivers informed of real-time road hazards, ensuring a safer driving experience. With RSA, drivers can navigate with confidence, knowing they're protected from unexpected road conditions, reducing accident risks. Accurate range estimation is crucial for heavy commercial vehicles. Data from our road surface conditions (RSC) solutions provide precise data to enhance fuel economy and reduce emissions. This is especially important when more and more trucks go electric. Monitoring road surfaces helps making EV range estimation better, making it possible to plan charging points and improve estimated time of arrival of goods. Combined with alerts information, ETA calculations has the chance to become better than ever. Minimizing standstill is essential for productivity. Our loose wheel indicator, LWI, alerts drivers to potential wheel detachment, preventing breakdowns and ensuring timely maintenance. Early detection and prevention keep trucks on the road, reducing costly downtime and maintaining delivery schedules. Protecting your cargo is vital. Our connected solutions ensure that goods are transported safely, reducing the risk of damage during transit. Real-time monitoring provides peace of mind that your deliveries will arrive safely and on time, enhancing customer satisfaction. At NIRA Dynamics, we are dedicated to enhancing the performance and safety of heavy commercial vehicles, no matter the road situation, no matter the weather. Join us in driving the future of transportation with our cutting-edge solutions. Learn more about our offerings and how we can help your fleet at niradynamics.com.